Ooh. Shelly, come over for dinner. The lobster and crawfish are done. Stop making them smell so good. Sean, come on. Hurry over to eat. That aroma, it won't escape. There's a smell because there's definitely something inside. I heard it. I heard it when I moved it. But right now, getting cooked food is our top priority. After eating, you can go find some mushrooms to dig up. Okay, I'll give you this pair of livestock. Take them and mess around with them. I'll use a wooden stick to crush this lobster head and crab shell. Oh, while we were smashing the lobster, Charlie found a few papayas on the hill behind us. These papayas aren't ripe yet. Never mind. Let's pick a few and take them back. Papaya gas is coming tomorrow morning. You're back so soon. Give me one of those red papayas. Hey, brothers. We've already handled this dragonfish head. We're going to drop it here and hope this expense pays off by bringing in some big catches. It will take some time to catch and load the goods, so let's go take a look by the sea to see if there's any catch under the rocks. Wow, this is so fresh. Charlie, how are you leaving? Hey, Charlie, what time is it now? It's past 2, right? Hey, where's your watch? Don't mention it. Lost everything a few days ago. Over 500. No worries, I'm planning to buy another one. So well hidden. Like a proper terry life. Perfect for us always dealing with the outdoors. I know what you mean. Are you really willing? Well, this one was my first purchase from a flash sale on Tmall. This year's Tmall Double 11 Carnival has already started with discounts, and you can get a 520 large voucher with over 8,880 in spending. It's easier to place orders this time, too. How much cheaper? Maybe not half off, like Xiaomi, Apple, Lenovo. With so many popular books, we also have foreign edition video to purchase. Ming-Jae, come over, junior brother Weeb. I'll go to the traffic police. Get up first. I've got it covered. Quick, 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 quick. It seems that using hands won't work. We'll have to use a spear gun. Finally found it, everyone. Look, such a big bomb. It's probably over 10 pounds. Brothers, today's catch is not bad. It's just a bit late. A good meal is worth the wait. Look, 2 grouper fish, a crab, and a loquat shrimp. We have to take it. The most important thing is such a big bomb fish. Let's go. Take it back to make a fire and cook. Brothers, it's about to get dark. Shall we start the fire first and then clean the big fish? I'll grill these small ones for now. It's getting dark, guys. Come on, brother. Come have dinner. This lobster is too small. Wait, there's still roe. Wow. Ah, it's really salty. We are all hungry. Anything tastes good. I've been hungry for a long time.
Let's hurry up and eat. Then rest early. Change your clothes later, or else you might get sick.